Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the default assistant on your Pixel 9 series, which includes the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9 or the Pixel 9 Pro XL, from Google Gemini to Google Assistant. So out of the box, you have Google Gemini working like a boss on your Pixel 9 series. However, if you want to switch over to Google Assistant, what do you do? So our first method to disable Google Gemini and go back to Google Assistant on your Pixel 9 series is to open your application drawer and go into the Google app. On the top right, you will either see your profile picture or the first character of your name. We're going to tap on this. Now on this pop-up, we're going to go into settings. Herein, scroll down and look for Google Assistant. Again, scroll down some more and you will see the option of digital assistants from Google. Right now, Gemini is selected. Let us change this over to Google Assistant. It is asking us switch to Google Assistant. We are going to say switch, and now when I press and hold the power button, there it is. You can see download is in progress because Google Assistant things are being downloaded on my Pixel 9 right now. And once that is done, bam, here it is. You can see that we now have switched over from Google Gemini to Google Assistant, which means we have successfully disabled Gemini on our Pixel 9 series. Our second method of disabling Gemini and switching back to Google Assistant on the Pixel 9 series is to go to the Google Play Store. Once you are in the Play Store, you need to search for an application, and the application which we are looking for is called Gemini. Once you search for Gemini, you will get Google Gemini. We're going to go ahead and install this on our Pixel 9, and then we're going to open it. Herein again on the top right, you have your profile picture or the first character of your name. We're going to select this. And then you will notice you do have the option of switching to Google Assistant in the pop-up. We're back to the original screen from wherein we switched. We're going to say Google Assistant and say switch, and this time around, bam, here it is, nothing to download, but we have successfully disabled Google Gemini and switched back to Google Assistant on our Pixel 9. And there it is, peeps. Those were the two ways of disabling Google Gemini and switching back to Google Assistant on your Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, or the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL.